So we are outside Cambridge Book Depot. Now this is the oldest bookstore in town and it's very special. I will tell you why inside. Follow me. So if you're a book lover, this is like paradise for you because there's just like no place to even walk. There's so many books here. Now this bookstore has been frequented by a lot of famous authors. There's been a William Dalrymple, a Gulzar, and every Saturday, the famous author Ruskin Bond comes here for like a meet and greet with people who like love his books, and he actually meets them, signs them and stuff like that. So yeah, I think it's around between say 3 to 5 every Saturday. So if you're in town on a Saturday, make sure you come here because that is something you don't want to miss. They have quite the Ruskin Bond collection. You've got all his books here. So that is him. Okay, so you really have to squeeze in if you want to see every book in the store. But they have really a vast collection, as I said. I've seen everything from children's books, cooking books, your regular, you know, fiction, non-fiction, Pakistani books, the works. So whether you're a book lover or not, you've definitely got to come to like this bookstore. You know, it's really different. It's got a lot of history attached to it. It has an author attached to it, an in-house author who's here every week, which is amazing. And yeah, it's really cute, small, and there's like thousands of books in there. So yeah, there's something for everyone. Make sure you come here. So we are outside Chick Chocolate, which is one of the most famous chocolate stores here. They also have some shakes, pizzas, things like that. But they are most known for their chocolates and their shakes. So maybe we'll get some. So you can see some homemade chocolates here.
Yeah, there's plenty.
Which one is the nicest?
Do you like nuts? Do you like soft
Not
centers? What
soft center.
Soft centers?
Yeah.
There's coffee. That's a hazelnut.
Thank you. Start with the first one. That's really good.
Really good? Should I sell you 1 kg?
I think the whole case is that good. So this is the fudge. This is the best. This is amazing. So good. Can I also get like an assorted box? Does that also work? Chocolates. Thank you. Yes. So they also have like steaks and pasta and pizza and stuff like that. So you can even come here for like a full-blown meal, or you can just stop off for a shake, some chocolates like I did. But make sure you stop off because it's really good. So we are outside the Tibetan market, which is just off the Mall Road. Now here you have everything from clothing, cheap electronics, wooden artifacts. It's supposed to be like a gold mine for cheap stuff, so let's go. So mainly it's a clothes market. There are a few electronic stores, some bags, socks, things like that, but mainly it's clothes. You can see some wooden stuff here. Lots of winter wear. ये दिखाएंगे तो So it's very affordable. I would say definitely invest in a jacket if you need one here. I don't know where I'm going to wear one in Bombay, which is why I'm not getting one, but it's pretty tempting. This market is apparently only open until sunset, so make sure you're here before it gets dark. So you have lots of sweaters. I would say it's great for winter stuff, like you've got some nice coats, sweaters, things like that. But otherwise, it's pretty much okay-ish. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you guys.